how to use real English phrase in your daily conversation and in your learning way so that you can speak English frankly and more properly. Do you want to speak English naturally and frankly? Then stop learning boring grammatical rules. It slow you down. And here's the question. Why I am asking you that slow you down? Because as a beginner, when you start your journey, I think you will be English speaker, right? And in this situation, you always focus in grammatical rules like subject, verb, object, like ing. So that's a blah 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 that creates a messy pollution, messy environment with you. And after practicing 10 days or 11 days later, you feel stuck. You always think that I give up. I can't do that because it feels so much difficult, so hard. What actually I am saying in this today's video that actually you try to implement that help you, because in this today's video I basically saying that how to practice real English phrase that help you to make more sentence. So start practicing real English phrase that in right way. Let me show you how. Don't worry about that. I am always with you and obviously I will teach you. So if you have any confusion, let me know in my comment section. And if you new here, my name is Tonmoy. I especially make video improving English and personal development. It's totally up to you. If you follow that, you will get immense improvement in your learning way. So don't worry about that and don't skip the video, rather watching the video till the end. Let's dive in. English phrase means a smart way to make more sentence to learn English with right way. Sometimes it means with shortcut technique, but it help you to make more sentence. As a beginner, when you memorize kind of phrase like let me think, sounds good, no worries, not gonna lie, I'm always with you, that actually help you to make more sentence. And you think that you always focus grammatical rules and that's why you can't make more sentence. That's the actual problem, right? And I'm also same. When I start my journey, I focus in grammatical rules, I focus in list of vocabulary, but that's slow you down me. And I think that no, I every day listen podcast and watch video. What actually I want, what actually I like, I prefer. And then after 3 months or 6 months later, I get fluency. I understand the sentence structure, how to make the sentence or how to create more sentence in your daily conversation life. And if you try to implement in your life, I hope you also get it. So try it in your home. Now we move on. Step number 1, why practice English phrase to make more sentence? English phrase is not a shortcut technique, it also help you while creating more sentence. How? How is this possible? Right. If you think that you always create more sentence like big blah blah blah, so you are going in wrong side. When you talking with someone in front of your friends, in front of your family members, you don't get so much time to make more sentence. And in this time, you also use kind of phrase, let me think, sounds good, no worries. That basically and literally help you in your learning way. So really, it's important to use in your daily conversation life. As a person, we always focus in easy thing, in easy right way, right? So I'm also same. I always focus in easy thing that actually help me in my learning way, and that's basically help in my activity. So now we move on step number 2, and it's very important, easy way to practice real English conversation, real English phrase. Step number 2 is that repeat after listening. No one can say you till, right? This the smart way to make more sentence, to practice your English. Basically, how you use this secret in your learning way. Right now, you are listening my video and you are watching my video, right? So, repeat after listening what actually I am saying, what I am doing. Now you see that I am moving my hand, and that's the extra skill. It help you in your professional career. And I am also same. I am also apply the same thing in my life, because I am also copy another person, another English content creator. What actually I like, what I want, that this kind of person I always follow. I always copy that. And if you want to be English speaker, if you want to be a software engineer like that in your way, so copy their structure, copy their self, and it will be so much easy to catch up, to arrive in your future. And it's the shortcut way and effective way to learn English. Someone say me that no, English is very hard, English is very difficult, but I want to say you one thing, English not a hard. It builds you. You have to make it. It's a consistent plan. It's not a overnight thing that one day you will be English speaker, in 3 months you will be a pro learner Englishman. No, it's totally with consistent. You have to build it. You have to practice it in every single day. And you see that in every single day, I am also practicing my English. I am also starting this English, real English phrase in my sentence, so that to make more sentence, so that I can feel relaxed to make more phrase, to make more sentence. And what actually I am saying to you, that how to use real English phrase in your daily conversation life. Right now, if you don't understand what's the benefit to use phrase in your sentence, so let me know in my comment section. I will try to solve your problem. I will try to teach you. So don't waste your time, rather start using this formula. So what actually I am saying to you, listening a podcast and watching a podcast, then repeat after listening. Just repeat after listening. Like you see that and you listen that, yeah, that's a very good thing. And you have to create more sentence. That's a very good position. That's a very good field. That's a very good task. So you have to create more sentence like that. And day by day, when you practice, kind of, you will get a fluency. Sometimes in your life, you always listen one important sentence is that if you want to be English speaker, then practice your English with mirror, in front of your mirror. Like right now I am practicing my English in front of my mobile camera, and you see that because I am also same. As a beginner, I always practice my English in front of my camera. And what's very important thing, I reveal in my every single video. So now we move on. Step number 2 is that practice your real English phrase with mirror, in front of your mirror. Why it's very important to practice with mirror? Because in this mirror has some important thing, right? You see that I practice my English, and in every single day I can improve, because in this video I always check it out where I make mistake to make more sentence, and what's my weakness that actually bring to back me. So it's a benefit, and you have to same thing apply. Practice with mirror. How you actually practice your English with mirror? Like take a topic and take a niche about how to practice English or how to use real English conversation. Just that's your topic and create a more sentence, create a more summarization, what actually you want, and tag about your hobby. I hope you understand all of the chapter of my video about the video context. So if you have any confusion or any hesitation, then let me know in my comment section. I am waiting for you. Just one motivation line for everyone. English not the heart. It create a consistent plan to arrive in your future. So don't wait for something, rather start using what actually I am saying in this today's video. Just try to implement and you will get immense improvement in your life. If you found this video is helpful for you, then hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more amazing content, for more real conversation. Because today I'm not coming to you to waste your time. Because today I'm here to take you something what actually I know, what I do in my everyday life. So don't worry about that. It's a totally consistent plan and you have to take your decision gradually, not overnightly, right? So don't create a messy pollution with you, then no one can be able to bring you back. Just always remember this motivation line. I hope you understand all of the chapter. So check it out, my description link. Here you get my newsletter, my blog post, because every day I post my newsletter, my blog post, and from this blog post you will learn from something that actually helps you. Be consistent, be motivated, and stay in good. Practice English in every single day. Well, I forget to say one thing to you. Practice English phrase. It's a smart way to learn English in a step by step. It's not about that how much word you know. It's totally about how you will use in your sentence structure, in your daily conversation. So I hope you understand, and I'm always speak too much so that you can understand what actually I am saying. And as a beginner, it's not a problem how many times you practice your English. It's a consistent plan, because I always create a consistent that every day I practice my English like 10 minutes, like 50 minutes, like 20 minutes. So it's my passion, it's my motivation that I'm always dedicated and stuck with my passion. So don't worry about that, because I am also same. I am practicing my English, and yes, let's hope everything will be fine and let's grow with together. I'm waiting for you if you have any confusion.